Okay, guys, so as you can see from the picture, that strategy 6 did not hit the 10 pips in that group, and now it's going the wrong direction. So if you got in that trade right now, you're losing money because now with that 1.7 spread, your entry is above. So you went from winning a trade to losing a trade on a strategy you shouldn't have been trading. Hope that makes sense. So now it's trying to turn and come back down. We're not even going to look here because you're not going to get a step one. Yeah, if you know the strategy, you say, yep, you're exactly right. I am nowhere near a step one. So if I try to trade this, I am breaking a rule. And if you break a rule, you can't track it, right? So if you take a trade off of this strategy right now, you are not paying attention, right? But now if you want to go over here to Euro USD and now look at those indicators and now see if you can get a step one, 3B, right? You're not going to get a 3A. 3A is over. It happened way back here. Look. Right? But if you want to catch you a 3B, now start looking for it. But you got to get off of this chart because you are not going to get a step one. And if you do, you have ruined the system. The money that you paid for this system is gone because you're breaking a rule. You cannot start that car off in sixth gear. You have to use first gear. If you use sixth gear, you're going to burn your clutch up, right? So think like that. Do I know what's going on? It's binary. Yes, you know what's going on. No, you don't have any idea what's going on. If you don't know what's going on, then take some free classes so you can see if this is something you want to do. Don't get up and just start trying to trade. You're going to blow your account, right? And I can give you a whole list of names. So understand it, embrace it. You need help, ask. Poke around in the information channel, poke around in this training channel, ask questions, go to the website, book free classes. You can hang out here for 100 years and never spend a dime and learn a lot, right? So if you have any questions, please let me know. See ya. I'm going to look for, you're not going to get it here. I'm going to look for a setup over here. If I get it, but I'm looking at my indicators and I'm not in love with it. So there might be a setup that I just pass on, right? Don't feel good about it. If there's a setup for John now, buddy, you got to take them. And when you get to strategy 6 over there, you got to take it too. So understand where you're supposed to be and what's going on and all the things. So if you have any questions, let me know. See you.